The thing that inspires me the most is helping our clients translate their unique personalities into a beautiful home. Hi, I'm Courtney McLeod, the principal of Right Meets Left Interior Design. We're in a recently completed 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in the FiDi district. So this project was definitely an interesting challenge for me because the palette is a lot more neutral than what I'm typically known for. We really got to focus on beautiful textures and interesting finishes to inject some personality into the spaces. So let's take a closer look. So my goal for the foyer was really to establish a design identity for the home. So here I incorporated the client's favorite color, and we curated a few of our favorite things, and I wanted something that would pop against that. So this actually spins out and becomes a desk. I paired it with this incredible chagrin mirror. Now this is a material that you're gonna see again in the apartment. I really love to incorporate elements like that to create a really cohesive whole. Now stepping into the main living space, it truly takes your breath away. I mean, how could it not? Just look at these views. What did I tell you? And with views that incorporate both old New York and 21st century New York, I knew the design had to be urbane, sophisticated, and modern. The starting point for the design of this seating area is the custom rug, and it incorporates both greens and curves. I designed the sofa with a really angular profile, and I picked a fabric that's the same green as the rug. I just love this coffee table. It really is functional art, and it includes a chagrin finish. And what's really cool is it actually moves around, so you can create new designs whenever you feel like it. The client is lucky enough to have outdoor space, so I decided to continue our themes. You'll see curved shapes, a bit of angular shapes to complement, all of it to create an area that's perfect to enjoy our amazing views. I designed the dining table and chairs to fit this space perfectly. I had these brass details incorporated into the countertop, and we used this to create a really angular shape within our curved outline of the table. With these floor-to-ceiling windows, window treatments I knew were going to be a focal point. I love how it softens everything and really ups the ante of the design. For my client's bedroom, I selected a serene blue palette. You'll see that on the walls, on the bed, and accents in the rug. But calm design does not have to be boring, as you can see from our feature wall. We chose what I like to call a tumbling cube pattern, done in wood veneer, and we upholstered the bed in this light blue velvet. And one of my favorite pieces is this ceiling light. I love the romantic glow, and notice how the shape is reminiscent of the shapes in the carpet. Even with all the action outside these windows, this room maintains a sense of peace. I am so delighted with how the design of this home came together. I hope this home has inspired some new ideas, and I look forward to seeing you on the next project.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.